Let's use GoalSeek to figure out how much house we can afford given a monthly budget. So right now we have a $350,000 house, but the monthly payment is way too much. We only want to spend $1,500. So instead of manually changing this, we can go ahead and use GoalSeek to figure out what the answer is exactly. So GoalSeek is under your Data tab, and then scroll over to Forecast, and then click What If Analysis, and then GoalSeek. So the first one it wants is going to be our monthly payment. And then the second one is the to value. We want to figure out, okay, $1,500 a month budget for our payments. And then finally our change cell. This is what we can manipulate in order to get our monthly payment that we want. That's going to be our loan amount. So we go ahead and click OK, and our monthly payment is exactly $1,500. Excel went through all the different numbers and crunched them and figured that our loan amount was $250,187 given a 6% interest rate and also 30 years. You can also modify these other values and then rerun your GoalSeek to figure out different scenarios.